Welcome to the Alero Jiyugaoka in Meguro City. This 44 square meter, 1 LDK property is located just 6 minutes to the nearest station and then an 8-minute ride to Shibuya thereafter, offering you unparalleled access to all things Tokyo. This property is being brought to us by At-Inn.jp. At-Inn is an agency that positions themselves between hotels and long-term apartments. They offer you prices lower than hotels for your monthly stay, but all the features that you'd come to expect in an apartment, like a washing machine and kitchen, and all you need to do is bring your suitcase, personal items, pay with cash, credit, or money transfer. They make it super easy, plenty of options on their website. And we enter into the Genkon, my favorite area of the apartment. This is just like a mudroom or an entryway where you would take your shoes off and kind of get into your house slippers here. You could put your shoes, your bag, your umbrella, and lots of other storage for other things. Let me know in the comments, do you take your shoes off when you enter your house? And again, as we come around into the apartment, we're first going to check out the well-appointed bathroom here on the left, featuring, yes, the fancy toilet. It does have the seat-mounted controls for the front and back bidet, as well as the temperature change and the pressure change, and you do have your washing machine there in the back with a drying rack for your clothes elsewhere. I'll show you that in a moment. But a nice bathroom with all the things that I've come to expect, like this. If you haven't seen my tech talk, check it out. This one right here. This preheats your bathroom on cold mornings, but also completely dries it. As it is a wet bath, you would just slide this frosted glass door over. You have your steam shower, your steam bath, and when you're done, you hit the button and it completely dries this bathroom in like 40 minutes. It's incredible. But you do have your full shower area and rinse off area because the bath is already typically filled with water, and this is your little wall-mounted controller to reheat the water. Since you've already showered, you can get back into the tub multiple times. This is a really efficient way of enjoying a deep soaking bath. As we come out into the kitchen, you'll see that At-Inn really has provided all the necessary items for you to enjoy the kitchen space, like your pots and pans and utensils and your convection oven, rice cooker, refrigerator, all that. But honestly, you're probably going to be eating out at cafes and izakayas because they are absolutely everywhere and they offer such affordable options. And so here we are back into the apartment now, kind of seeing the larger main space with your TV and your dining table, which could double probably as your desk, but you see it has these concrete walls that are cool to the touch, as well as these hangers. Those concrete walls kept the room really cool even in these hot Tokyo summer days, which I'm telling you gets very hot. And the little mirror, there you go, Ricardo, I do have a shirt on. Sorry about that, buddy. But as we come back around, you do see the HVAC controller. These little mini splits really do a fantastic job of cooling down Tokyo apartments, as well as heating them up in the winter, which I have not yet experienced. But as we step to the back of the property, we see that we have our second floor balcony. I know that doesn't make much sense, but I'll show you in a minute. It does have accessibility to this little yard space, possibly for a pet. I'm not really sure. You should reach out to At-Inn.jp and see if they actually do accept pets. But this residential area overlooking down into your first floor patio, and this is incredible because I'm telling you, it's going to keep the afternoon sun off of the patio. You can still leave that door open, have fresh air coming in, and enjoy like the cooler temps. And I'll show you, since we're talking about the first floor, we've stepped down into the bedroom, the only bedroom. Just a great space down here, a little cocoon, and I'm telling you, I love to do this. Yes, the cozy test, and you can see it is very dark in here during the daytime, perfect for naps. I think you'll really enjoy this space. But we kind of look around, you see there's a little study desk over here, maybe if you're not using the dining room table upstairs, but then that patio, this is the one I was mentioning earlier, and I showed you, I think it's perfect for an espresso table, maybe even for plants out here for your longer stays. You're gonna be here for a business trip, your 90-day visa, or even just an extended holiday. It's a great space for you to enjoy a second mini split. And of course, yes, the vacuum cleaners. You guys know I love vacuum cleaners. More of those hangers that were upstairs. I think these are for clothes, maybe for plants, something like that. You tell me. But you do have a clothes rack right there, as well as a little bit of storage for your socks, undies, things like that. But plenty of closet space. This is not usual for most apartments I've seen in Tokyo. You've got your towels, your hangers, as well as your ironing board. And again, a very comfy bed. Just a perfect space for you to get away and just kind of relax. As we come back up, we're going to head upstairs for you to get one more overall view of what the apartment looks like and what that layout is. And again, I mentioned it before, you can check out so many different properties on At-Inn.jp that make it very easy for you to stay for extended stays. Just reach out to them, and super easy. Now, obviously, I know what you guys are waiting for. You want to know the price point. And at current exchange rate, this one is, drumroll, $3,700 a month, all included. Fantastic neighborhood, cozy, quaint, painting around. Let me know, would you live here?